How to secure Blum cabinet hinge. Blum 74559. I have a Blum 74559 hinge that's falling off the door due to heavy use. This hinge is originally part of an Ikea kitchen system. The original installer didn't use any screws to fasten the hinge to the door, it was just pressure fit in. But that's not working now as the door is falling off with use. Now I need to properly install it, presumably using screws. There are pre-drilled holes in the door that the little metal sleeves slip into, and there are also other holes on the door side of the hinge that could be used if I drill the door. I found the original manual for these, but they don't show any additional screws being used. Does anyone know the recommended fastener for this application? Question from user Kulik007 at Stack Exchange. Answer. I ended up using the pre-drilled hinge holes on the inside close to the vertical middle 128 wood screws which fit perfectly inside the cover panel. Yes. The other holes towards top and bottom are for the alignment sleeves. I did have to drill holes into the door. Answer from user Kulik007 at Stack Exchange.